Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to limit hotspot users on Samsung M35 device. Well, limiting hotspot users can help protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized individuals from accessing your network and potentially intercepting sensitive data or information transmitted over the connection. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open the settings on your device. Okay, next navigate to the Connections menu and then locate the mobile hotspot and tethering option. So tap on it to access the settings and then proceed by selecting the first option available. Okay, after selecting the first option, tap on any box to access the advanced settings. So click on the option to reveal additional settings, then choose broadcast channel. Well, so here you can set the number of devices allowed to connect to your hotspot network based on your preferences and requirements. Okay, by setting the limit for the number of connections, you can control and manage the maximum number of devices that connect to your hotspot network simultaneously. Well, that's the tutorial on how to limit hotspot users on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.